নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, রে স্পোর্টসের পর্দায় আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই। এই মুহূর্তে আমরা রয়েছি যুব ভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনে। আপনারা সকলেই জানেন যে আগামীকাল যুব ভারতীতে পাঞ্জাব এফসির মুখোমুখি হতে চলেছে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল, এবং যে ম্যাচে একাধিক সমস্যায় জর্জরিত লাল হলুদ ব্রিগেড। সেই ম্যাচের আগে সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে যথেষ্ট পজিটিভিটি নিয়ে উপস্থিত হলেন লাল হলুদ ব্রিগেডের হেড কোচ অস্কার ব্রুজো। তিনি কিন্তু বলে দিলেন, আমরা জানি আমাদের একাধিক সমস্যা রয়েছে, কার্ড সমস্যা রয়েছে, চোট সমস্যা রয়েছে, দল এই মুহূর্তে ভালো জায়গায় নেই। তারপরেও আমি যথেষ্ট আশাবাদী, এবং গত কয়েকদিন টিম যেভাবে অনুশীলন করেছে, তারা যেভাবে পরিশ্রম করছে, তাতে আমি আশা করছি পরের ম্যাচগুলোতে ভালো ফল হবে। যদিও দলের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ফুটবলাররা না থাকাটা যে অসুবিধে সেটা মেনে নিলেন তিনি। তবে কোচ অস্কার ব্রুজো তিনি কিন্তু বলছেন, আমার কাছে সবসময় দুটো রাস্তা খোলা থাকে। এক, সমস্যার সময় নতুন করে পরিকল্পনা করা, অথবা যে রাস্তায় হাঁটছি সেটাকেই কন্টিনিউ করে নিয়ে যাওয়া, সেখান থেকেই দলে পরিবর্তন নিয়ে আসা। ফলে সেইভাবেই কিন্তু কোচ অস্কার ব্রুজো দলকে তৈরি করছেন। এবং অন্যদিকে তিনি বললেন যে পাঞ্জাব যথেষ্ট শক্তিশালী দল, তারা কিন্তু এই সিজনের সবথেকে ধারাবাহিক দল, এবং গত কয়েক মরশুমে তারা যেভাবে নিজেদের দলকে ইমপ্রুভ করেছে সেটা কিন্তু সত্যিই প্রশংসনীয়। এবং কোচ অস্কার মনে করছেন যে পাঞ্জাবের মতো দলের বিরুদ্ধে খেলাটা কখনোই সহজ নয়। যদিও তারাও ধারাবাহিক দল হলে ইস্ট বেঙ্গলও ধারাবাহিক দল, এমনটাই কিন্তু মনে করছেন অস্কার। কারণ তিনি বললেন যে শেষ কয়েকটা ম্যাচে আমরা যেভাবে পারফর্ম করেছি, হয়তো পয়েন্ট না পেলেও দলের খেলা যেভাবে পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে সেটাই কিন্তু যথেষ্ট আশা রাখছেন অস্কার। তিনি কিন্তু মনে করছেন যে এই কঠিন সময়েও অবশ্যই পজিটিভিটি নিয়ে যদি মাঠে নামা যায়, তাহলে কিন্তু ঘুরে দাঁড়ানো যাবে। আগামীকাল পাঞ্জাব এফসির বিরুদ্ধে মাঠে নামার আগে দলের লক্ষ্য স্থির করে দিলেন কোচ অস্কার ব্রুজো। তিনি জানেন পরপর 3টে হোম ম্যাচ রয়েছে তার হাতে, পাঞ্জাব এফসি, জামশেদপুর এবং হায়দ্রাবাদ। এই 3টে ম্যাচ থেকে যদি পুরো পয়েন্ট তুলে নিতে পারে, তাহলে কিন্তু লিগ টেবিলের উপরের সারির দলগুলোর সঙ্গে পয়েন্ট পার্থক্য অনেকটাই কমে যাবে। এবং সেই লক্ষ্য বেঁধে দিয়েই কিন্তু পাঞ্জাব এফসির বিরুদ্ধে মাঠে নামতে চাইছেন ইস্ট বেঙ্গল হেড কোচ অস্কার ব্রুজো। কি বলছেন অস্কার ব্রুজো, চলুন শুনে নেওয়া যাক তার মুখ থেকেই।
That we are having a challenging moment, but we need to face it with honesty and positivity. It's challenging what is happening in the team, and this is not only about sending an emotional statement or about making just words. This is about showing the depth of our squad and the needs of this squad to try to be one of the best teams of the ASL. We are going to play with one of the teams more in form, so they are going to prove the depth of our squad. But the message that I'm giving is positive. The boys are working really, really well. They are giving everything on the pitch. They are getting very quick the ideas. We have two options of stress and think in different systems and shake everything in the team, or give continuity to the things that were working well in the past games. I'm not going to say what we are going to do, but it's clear that probably when we have back-to-back games every 4 or 5 days, we are positive and very confident that the things that we are working day by day, they are going to work. And again, we have a very good rival tomorrow to check where we are and what we can do. About our opponent, I don't want to give a lot of details because this is getting loose, but the reality is that they have 1.8 points per game. They have played 10 games and they have 18 points, so probably they are in the limit of that top 6 that everybody is targeting. They are looking very consistent, vertical, with a very clear idea of what they want to do. They have strength both inside and the sides. They are effective in their transitions. They very rarely lose the balance at the back. So tomorrow, as I said before, we have a real test of where we are in the current situation and where we want to go. And we take it positive, as I said before. And the second question was
the things that changed very drastically. So in this situation, how do you go through your strategy?
As I said before, in this situation, as a coach, I have two options: or not sleeping at night, overthinking, and starting to have attacks of coach and changing positions and trying to find the moment, or give continuity to the idea that we were doing for the past 2 months. And I think that the players are appreciating that we give continuity, see the words of our goalkeeper, saying that we are facing all these challenges as a unit together, confident, and playing here at home with the support of the fan base. Well, East Bengal is a club full of a history of courage, spirit, and determination. And this is exactly what we are going to try to do tomorrow, apart from the tactical side. In the tactical side, I think that Punjab is not better than our team right now, but these are only words and we need to demonstrate that tomorrow on the pitch. I would like to share all the details, but as you can imagine, this is internal information. We are actually going for the medical tests of some of the players. We don't have the final evaluation, but as I'm announcing, we have to acknowledge that we have a problem with injuries and it's affecting some of the key players of our team. The final evaluation will be done by the club probably in the next few days.
You're demotivated.
It's not that I want to escape questions about referees, but as you say, it's external factors. The reality is that in half of the games this year we have finished with less players than the opponent, and in the 80 or 90% of the games we have done less fouls than the opponent. And we are not an aggressive team. We are not coming with excessive force. We are receiving more critical decisions in our favor, so let's send a word of hope and thinking that always in the long periods these things balance. So as a coach, I just want to say that it's really that we are suffering from that decision, things that we cannot control, but we also have the hope that in the long run, in football, the things always come in cycles. So we hope that at some point we also get that critical actions probably more in our favor. Regarding the second question, I think that I already replied saying that as a coach I have two options. Or getting crazy and thinking what we can do and change the positions and thinking this system is good, this system is bad, this player can play here, he can substitute this player, I can be like this in these last 4 days, or I can give confidence and thinking that what we are doing every day is working. So probably this is the most smart decision, to give continuity, to trust on the process that we are doing and not changing too many things, because in a period of 4 days I think it will be useless. So my message is a message of continuity on the tactical part of what we are working so far, and probably replacing some players in the positions that we have had problems. Regarding the opponent, I agree with you. I already told you the scoring ratio. I think that they are one of the teams that even in market value they are increasing more their value due to their positive performances. They have shown that they can beat, and with big margins, the best teams of the ISL. They have good players in attack and good association. It's not only about having good players, but about the complementing between of them. I think they have a playmaker, they have a proper striker, they have a speed on the wings, and as I told you, they keep the balance at the back. So the results that they are getting is not luck, is consistency, as you say. But we are also being consistent in our last 7 or 8 games. So as I told you, we continue with our idea, positive. The players tomorrow are going to deliver at their best. We are going for it. Punjab is our team, but you should also acknowledge that East Bengal is also our team. So let's see which is the force that tomorrow is more dominating, have the more chances. And you were asking how I understand the game, and I give you always the same thing with different ways. The game needs to be understand that we want to create more opportunities and more chances than our opponent. The key point is how you are going to do that, how you are going to neutralize the strong points, and how you want to approach the opponent goal area and create chances. And that is what precisely on what we are working the last 3 days. The target is that Punjab has 10 games and 19 points, and we have 10 games and 7 points. So we were talking about how critical and how important is to win this game to cut this gap, and I continue doing the same. We are playing now with Punjab and with Jamshedpur, that they are in the positions exactly of the cut of the top 6. So I keep telling that by the end of this month, when we play Punjab Jamshedpur and Hyderabad. Probably we will have a better picture if the top 6 is going to be achievable, or we need to start thinking in a different way. But right now, everything on the game of tomorrow and to try to cut there.
অন্যদিকে আজকে সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে উপস্থিত ছিলেন ইস্ট বেঙ্গল দলের গোলরক্ষক প্রভসুখান সিং গিল। তিনি কিন্তু গোলের নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে সব সময় অপ্রতিরোধ থাকেন। এর আগে আমরা দেখেছি পরপর বেশ কয়েকটা ম্যাচ কিন্তু ক্লিন শিট রাখতে পেরেছিল ইস্ট বেঙ্গল, তবে শেষ ম্যাচটা কিন্তু ইস্ট বেঙ্গলকে 2টো গোল হজম করতে হয় এবং সেখানেই কিন্তু ইস্ট বেঙ্গল পয়েন্ট নষ্ট করে হারতে হয় তাদেরকে। যদিও প্রভসুখান সিং গিল তিনি কিন্তু মনে করছেন যে ভুল ত্রুটি সবসময় হয়, সেই ভুল ত্রুটি শুধরে নিয়ে এগিয়ে যেতে হবে, ভালো খেলতে হবে এবং পয়েন্ট সংগ্রহ করতে হবে। যদি লিগ টেবিলের উপরের দিকে উঠে আসতে হয় তাহলে কিন্তু নিজেদের যে সেরা খেলাটা আছে সেই সেরা খেলাটা অবশ্যই বের করে আনতে হবে। পাশাপাশি দলের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ফুটবলারদের না থাকাটা যেমন সমস্যার বিষয়, তেমনই কিন্তু দলের কাছে একটা বাড়তি মোটিভেশন যে এই ভাঙাচোরা পরিস্থিতিতেও, এই পিছিয়ে পড়া পরিস্থিতিতেও দলকে জেতানো, দলের হয়ে ভালো পারফর্ম করা, সেটাও কিন্তু একটা বাড়তি উদ্দীপনা হিসেবে কাজ করবে বলে মনে করছেন গিল। কি বলছেন ইস্ট বেঙ্গল দলের গোলরক্ষক, চলুন শুনে নেওয়া যায় তার মুখ থেকেই।
As you can see, we are improving a lot from the game we played against Mohammedan, and we are starting from the AFC Cup. Whatever the lacking was there, we are improving it really fast and quicker, and you can see we are getting results also. Even in the last game, we were so unfortunate to get the red card, but if we were 11, we should have maybe turned on the result also, and we are improving really a lot, and lacking. I can't say we are lacking something. It's just a matter of the results we will get, and we'll try to get the result in the next game also. It's very unfortunate to lose some of good players, but I think we are much more motivated than we were before, because now we as a team we are very strong, and you can say that okay, this is not a very good thing to happen with any team, but if this thing has happened, you can take it positive or negative, and we are taking it really positive, and we are more stronger as a group, and we will try our best to get the result. As I said, whenever you are 10 or whenever you are 1 man less, it's always hard. We fought really well against Mountain, and after that we were compact as a team. We got 3 clean sheets in a row. Last game also target was that also not to consider it back, but unfortunately we considered. But that doesn't mean that we are doubting ourselves or something. We are go with the same approach, not to consider it back and score as many goals as in the front.
যুব ভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গন থেকে ক্যামেরায় শুভম মণ্ডলের সঙ্গে সৌরভ মুখার্জি, রেস স্পোর্টস।